Namaste. Good morning, children. Today I will take yoga session. Yes, continue plus the standing pose or standing asanas. You can continue for the standing asanas. Last week, can you know that? Continue for the standing pose. Before yoga, you start little warm up. You can do in home, everyone. Then only start the yoga asana. Okay. Then today I will show you two asanas. One is Trikonasana. Okay, Trikonasana known as triangle pose. Both the feet together join, standing position. Directly I will start the yoga. Okay, and spread your leg as much you are according to your shoulder width. Stretch and slowly both the hands your shoulder level, palm should be facing for the downwards, and slowly your right foot should be turned 90-degree angle. You can stretch and left foot same position only. Then bend your arch your body for the your right side. Slowly bend as much possible. You can right hand should be touch the your ankle and left hand should be raised and palm should be turned. Triangle pose or Trikonasana. Balance your body. 5 breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Slowly right knee bend and slowly come up. Yes, hand should be shoulder level and right ankle should be turned forward, and same as it is complementary your left side. Left ankle should be turned 90-degree. Yes, 90-degree. Hand should be shoulder level. Breathe in and breathe out, and slowly you arch your body, bend left side and try to touch. Hold near by the ankle. Yes, slowly you can raise your hands. Your right hand should be look at the right hand palm. Don't bend forward. Sideways should be bent. Balance your body. 5 breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly left knee bend and slowly come up in shoulder level and turn your ankle forward and slowly come to the position. This is the triangle pose. Okay, triangle or Trikonasana. These benefits are yes, incorrectable your balance, stability, incorrectable stability, strengthen for the legs, spin, flexibility for the your body muscles. Okay, open up hip muscles and shoulders muscle, stability for your stimulate your organs and relax your stress. Relax your stress. Trikonasana benefit. Next, move on to the second one. Uttana Parsvakonasana. Side angle poses. Side angle poses. Your first one, stretch your legs and hands, both of you. Okay. Your same as it is. Your right foot ankle should be turned and bend. Your right hand should be bent. Slowly place it on your nearby the right foot and stretch as much possible. Stretch your body and left hand should be straight. Okay, this is stretch. 5 breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2 inside of the leg should be place it. Yes, 5 breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly come up and knees straight and ankle should be turned. Yes. Side angle pose or Uttana Parshvakonasana. Same as it is complementary. Yes. Turn your left foot ankle 90 degree. Slowly bend your knees. Your left side. Stretch as much possible. Your left hand should be placed on mat nearby the left foot. Yes, then raise your right hand straight. Look at the raise hand. Yes, palm. Turn your palm and look at. Yes, extended angles. 5 breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly. Hands down. Come up. Straight. This is the side angle pose Uttana Parshvakonasana. You are stretching your stones and strengthen further your legs. Stretches your hamstring muscles and relax your body. Brings your blood flowing your joints muscles. Okay. Reduce your stressful in your shoulders and back. This is the benefit of side angle. Okay. Side angle pose. Benefit of the side angle pose. Yes. One more variation I'll show you. Okay. Stretch your legs same as it is. Hands into the hands. Your shoulder level. Your ankle should be turned if possible. Yes. You turn your face, your right side, and your left elbow should be touched the right knee and join your hands. Yes, like this. Okay. Yes. One more variation of side angle pose. Yes. Stretch. Then come up slowly. Position. Ankle turn and left side ankle turn and bend your knees and your right elbow should be stretched for the left knee and don't raise your right leg. Place it on your mat and join the but the side angle stretch. 5 breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back to the position. Yes. Turn your ankle, both the feet together. This is also side angle variation. Uttana Parshvakonasana. You should be stretch your opposite leg, right hand, left elbow should be stretch and turn your facing for that side, right side and left side. Both the side also you can practice. Okay, so easy only. Uttana Parshvakonasana. Your blood flowing for the ankle joints and relax your back muscles and stretches for your shoulders and your hip muscles also. Okay, this is the benefit of asanas. You can practice in home. Okay, thank you children. Before yoga practice, a little stretches and then you practice. Okay, thank you children. You have a nice day. Dhanyavad.